It's okay. You need free so. Then him tan. Nipa phone a cancer phone. Now I nipa no said why we see what why is a polytank I to need free so.
But a strong warning and a dema Kwame Afrifa say. Oma ene the first and last. Ya wabetana ninkukobu onimu. Na obebo mi din.
Says no met me the business me work say Ghana is the only country that gives God headache to buy it. To buy pa Ghana emenya mi to buy it. Yes, it's all kokromoti kwa yasa ye so tro e dey ja kwai. Ana say krama any so dey enye ma ya kadwo. Debi ba say be fa funu ye do be bon kwai enya se okuma ye do be bon kwai. E fa nsemu a Afrifa Ebeka fa Oheneba Boamah ho. Obeturum say Oheneba Boamah why say polytank ya treat free so.
Nipa phone a cancer phone. Now I nipa no said why we see what why is a polytank ya to need free so.
But hey everyone knows. If I ask you can say Oheneba Boamah no. Oheneba Boamah no perfect reply. Obe match FIFA boot for boot no threaten the FIFA do dia grow Ghana hanuma. Obeba be so nimu e bridam no ba be hye nan kasa anza ko the FIFA afam la class ensem de Oheneba Boamah abegi kebipa ayi Penyah block media let's run say dey mo obe like video no that room obe subscribe so click the notification icon places update na be chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section so baso no a video mo process enya bi ahwe e to Oheneba Boamah any Afrifa so enya beef you see the Ghana hanom like come as Afrifa o pe beef do mo hwe de do na me na say do tell me or there beef for that because I say no as a people ya pay beef what I say o pay beef for do why if you yesterday water so yeah there the beef guma na tete so tete beef no so because every for oh yeah pay beef no yeah and there o pay beef and that is how we like it on the streets what I say that is how we like it on the street ever Ghana registered nurse and midwife association almost strike na almost call you know only so Oheneba Boamah NDC Journalist now or TV XYZ no obe fire won pa di o matam sa obru wo mu nua nyina ka ho
Ya de ntumi bo bia e ban NDC ni e ban PP ni e tie PP4 e hwero madese NDC4 so hwero madese na nyin kurase ne ye ne sebi jimia akabe kase ye ko strike se e wose ye maya tade e bo 1000 Ghana ye maya 400 e tie ko strike abuafunu wajuru nyaduma. Are you mad? What about them? Someone called because of say, I was seeing about uniform allowance. You about 400 Ghana, over 1,000 cities. And to go to the negotiation table and negotiate with some impact, no matter strike, no mean cheer. Previously, God should kill you. And you are going on strike because of say. We are in now co hospital near Shawa, Yadusika, or giant Potala, what you call strike. A waffle Nensa. You Pankwa, but to be confidence. How poor Amamuno. Not genuine. When you buy say me call hospital to me hospital be mama I didn't know call hospital because of person traffic open kwa no be sure ba hospital was me dey me call strike me show na wo die wo na ka say nyame don kwa dey betaw wo so be wo bi am gift ho honi wo ma me ho honi no se wo nya ma mranketesia no enkwadwuma. You see us. We perpetua when cry perpetua or for young puffle. So when young quadan moment quaduma, Yamibi who couldn't people know Yamibi Kiaka, or Betia Kuruka, or Betia Maka, Mabra Bobayam Bassa or Mewim. Abrewa Patadia say. Mabrewa Patadia 1,000 Ghana say. Are you mad or sick? Mon femme also na betumenka. Mon femme also. En kwa siase me ni mutu krom ha no. Mo kum ni pa yemfimo. Mo kum ni pa yemfimo. When you go to America or all advanced country no, nipa ba ko pewu wa yarsabia. ye chro wona sini kro no awodu ti no wo be chirem de ya nipa no wu ya hwehwem na wo difa wo free adwuma no mu krom ha yetia no na sini tumi kum nipa na sori akon ba bi wo me ho akukọ ba ko wu abuafunu because of atade what question because of wigging mu diagram me betre krom ha basa what you sem hu no mu krom ha no a munya ni pan kan kire mo no ene ha mo abrewa patade 1000 Ghana se abansi one farmer no etini buafu cost strike abrewa patade 1000 Ghana se
Emma do ye we Afrifa ebe clash with him. Emma ebe ka say akwa we sebe. Why is a politan ka ye true te free so or no tena edi nurses party.
Na afe aban no any paponinti was suma ni journalist for to go after the nurses. Yenje dia yadokodo yeso.
Akabeka say yen cost strike say e wasi ya maya tade ebuo 1000 Ghana ya maya 400 eti cost strike abuafunu baju nyaduma. Are you mad? What about them? Someone called you because of fair. I was about uniform allowance. You about 400 Ghana. Over 1,000 cities. And to go to the negotiation table and negotiate with some impact. No matter strike. No matter cheer. Previously. God should kill you.
Hold on, Posse. God should kill nurses because they are demanding for better conditions of service. And Akwa said, "Abiding smile say when you're here, and you see the energy that he's using. But you find your more nurse for your fanyamu. Your fanyamu. If some more fear the entem, Abino, or bear abisumo, and they do baby, or more the Takashi, or more chia, leadership of a mess, and nurse, or more chuomo, or more break your office. You ever check me? Eh? Yankupo, Enku, and nurse for. Yes, we demand say what is due them. No? We should give to them. NDC journalists and they say God should kill them. You
are going on strike because of say we are in our hospital near Shawa. You do sika. What you call strike? Nensa wo pankwa na to ben kwanfu nensa habu
Danny's okay yini free so nanim tantan nipa phone cancer phone na hwe nipa no said why we see what why is a politan ka yetu ni tie free so na wo di nurse for atem we yo di nurse for atem say nyame ku nurse for because na ban NDC na woso na me nko anesefo na nyame ko anesefo na kwa bena minta aka ndo goka asem yentia okofa old nurses no e dia ba ba ye adwuma na nti wadwene sai na ye adwuma mo adwene sai na ye adwuma eti old nurses ne de o mo amfa de enkola yi fa mu bi ho eti o mo sori mfirifie na o mo mfa o mo BP emfa o mo ayi o mo nya na o mo mra me shep enkola nanan ene sai na kasa bi anesefo mre wa no o mo adwene o mo nyusu. It's a said here, Abai Sisi Muya. Abai Sisi Seya. And a man, Nehia, a two nurse for. Now, nurse in Nibi Tro Bibi. You better read Yamam. Government appeals to retired nurses and midwives to volunteer their services on Tolampas. Government is appealing to retired nurses. Now, retired nurses, no more call, and yo, if you know, be Pinekumo. What would you be on Madame? Also, almost answer them. When a war solution. Or solution to a problem. We, as you could, but let me talk and say, you know, can you do what? I try my punk ibi, or I try a dictator for nature, or try what the Abessia. I try to fear. What do you mean, a nurse of Voicia? Any come General Secretary of our nurse for Dr. Tenkrai, may Uncle Pano, may Uncle Pa. What's the round table discussion? Commonly about the channel, more Kenyans, Semia Cherea, and Kebeti. Monim leadership. a Jenny Kanyama Kankabia, or Moyani Adiana, a retired nurses should come. Retired nurses, or more free fiumbra. Yate, the solution you. Bobby, after the Aban war, Gagi will be. Doctor, you are free years sorry cross war can assembly be. I'm on the floor of Parliament. Second Deputy Speaker. What's it there? First Deputy Speaker. What's the one? Because here is a politician, the Hibia, 10,000, you cotoy, and you see, I'm gonna what do I cotoy? Once when I say 10,000 liters politician, you're 20 Jeffrey so. I can't body no. We see Unquanes in Yankupon Quanes, because Nabayaba, Yamin Quanes for because or more demanded what is due them. Way. I don't know about Fiampa. I'm in Takando. Why will be a trust? Dining hall preferred meeting nurses and midwives at the round table discussing where is the matron. Most we are much to shade. Minister. Mo was the guy to be it. And someone is carried between us for Bobby, General.
And some of the people can, you know. Sir, I don't know. I know about what's your name, the Debbie. I said, no, Urano, a word in the see the chick, I say, as I know, a see the chip, the mumu, a wood of calling dead, plus a fever. Mamma's make a big intro. I know what my edge, I say, oh no, I dear first one. Oh, yeah, come as in a free for Nanyano. Just a what brass in a free for Nanyano. A nipper dono, a nipper bruno, as a free for Nanyano, or catch a fever say. If you find a mistake, Edward no, ever 2 shows so can was in the man. The Nika Obedica be so much a pono, pona, or be free from or be prunimu, no resua, or Canama Kuti.
Oh, Madame Sepa. Now, me the this warning, Eddie Ma Aquanwa, your friend, Okatakyie Afrifa. Now, me warning very strongly. Me the a strong warning, and Eddie Ma Okatakyie Afrifa say. Oma ene enye the first and last. Ya wabetena ni nkukobuo ni mu. Na wabebo mi din. Ana wabekasa. Ede be fame. Oheneba Boamah benye. Ana wabeyi mi image, mi video. Ewa ni page no. Ana baby a wono. Wabeyi no woso. Moma sasem we nkoma Okatakyie Afrifa say. Anytime wabe show me image. Ana mi video. Ya maye ewo mi program so ewo ni show no so no mama ade efe aye ne tan ewo ni wiase wo Okatakyie Afrifa sebe mpreduasa enye odwan nyonko ne preku na ka abodwe sanko ade a anka wo ye odwan me Okatakyie Afrifa kwatere wo program so kodi matem na sebe Aprukuswa wapra tete no sebe ne srefa kase eten amane enti mi amapra tete no me ye papa che Okatakyie Afrifa. I am warning you for the last time. Eda wuni ma wo betena nkukobuo ni mu na wo beyi mi video wo beka me ho asem ana wo de me picture ede beto ho ya beka me ho asem no I will beat you like a child and son of mama emra anybody. And this is the last warning. I am not joking. Okatakyie Afrifa, I am not joking. Let today be your first and last. U program no enyame na mesia me enhwe. Me ni ho adaje. What views you could win your views. Menanya first and last Okatakyie Afrifa. We do me ho agra me sia wa mebo sakwala, mebo bow rough. Don't joke with me because many abrepa. I am warning you for the last time, Okatakyie Afrifa. Be very careful. As some way I make I will not say it again. Anytime I would do me, I decide that say what or jambi sa sabin previous first no ani enim no and na me ka Okatakyie Afrifa ohwasem na wo bia woni wo ba to me koda ni wo twetwa ni naked videos na what they are attracting wabana say. So one mama me ne one nabi moi. Me do naked videos baba bonteno. Somebody like you Kwame Afrifa. I didn't cry no what's man no cry to one. First no, name say we nyansani. First no, name say what Jimmy die. Name say adwene kakra ho. Menim say Obama, menim say what Jimmy and an asafo. Name the American say Kwame Afrifa. Let today be your first and last. What Kwame Afrifa Jim for why I say Eskimo for ass chest. What why I say Eskimo for ass chest? Which na why you who so nipa Sebian Sahoma. You want to joke with me? Kwame Afrifa, you want to joke with me? Let today be your first and last. I am telling you. So with me, I will beat you like a child. I am not joking. Kwame Afrifa, be very, very, very careful. Be very careful. Will be able to me do a naked pictures, a threatening on. Will be able to me can now sabe. Waba beda homa Kwame Afrifa in the bed dano. No what Jimmy pa. No what Jimmy do. No what Jimmy. Because Kwame Afrifa what to me threaten oba so mama me ne one na me na me baba nya mra ne adadia baba yi Kwame Afrifa no. I just don't want to waste my data on you. Bema, be very careful with me. So what do me ho agra e kwanya me do ba fa so okrom ha no je udwane wo pa asem we nkwase asem na waka no ya me did this response at the man no Kwame Afrifa so wonim wo dia wo so your bema to say me a wo pa bra be respond to this. I bet you mama krom ha no wo de me ho agra mema wo dwane Kwame Afrifa wo de me ho agra mema wo dwane Afrigana what media massa me no emre bi etwa mu no na mnim se wo ye nipa na wo bi otomi di naked videos naked pictures e threat madie manu kwa me mpese manu kwa beto anum me mpese me din kwa be pio anum. Be very careful. I am warning you for the last time. Kwame Afrifa, be very careful. Now what time here we be who different person. So we do me ho agra we be who the who be da Kwame Afrifa. We do me ho agra we be who the who be da. Sabin prebiasa wa mu amajeje oso wa mu amobode oso dimiesa mempesa mano beto wanum. Let today be your first and last. Kwame Afrifa mabo wudim prensa sawunim na wudimi fo no wotena nkokobuo no so na wo me din na wo yi me video and now me picture what they told. I will beat you like my own child and son of mama emra anyway bema what threaten ma with naked pictures manon tonanum man warn for the last time. Be very careful. Mink.
Tiraje wabe ever conversation. Penyah Media.